I'm all the way shorty, up. What you want, shorty, what you need. What you need. My niggas run the game, we ain't never leave. Never leave. Counting up this money.
So, in my home country of Côte d'Ivoire, in West Africa, barely 2% of the population is covered by a formal insurance policy. We might be smiling here, but the bare reality and the sad one is that for the 98% of them who cannot afford the current product offering, even a minor injury or a routine illness can have catastrophic consequences. In contrast, at the same time, in the same country, mobile phone penetration has reached 100%. And those little devices facilitate mobile money transaction in excess of 40 million US dollars. Just think about it once second. If you report that number to an annual basis, it exceeds the budget of Côte d'Ivoire. Côte d'Ivoire, the largest economy in the French-speaking countries in West Africa, is one of those 15 countries in the CIMA region where you only require one insurance license to get access to over 137 million people who are currently uninsured. Look at Miriam. She's just one of those people. She is part of a traditional saving group in the aim to protect herself and her family against unforeseen events. But guess what? Unfortunately, this solution has proven to be very untrustworthy, and she still feels vulnerable. Thanks to Digitech platform, very large insurance companies have now the possibility to offer Miriam a very first formal and tailored insurance product 24/7 by just using her phone. In just 3 simple steps, Miriam can now activate that medical cover she has always desired. Using a national ID, Miriam registers. She will then choose the product and pricing she prefers and then execute the payment straight from her mobile money wallet. And then the magic just happens. In real time, our platform generates a secure PDF contract, and she receives few seconds later an SMS with further instruction on how to access it. To be clear, Digitech does not provide insurance. We partner on a non-exclusive basis with any insurance company which has been desperately trying to access customers just like Miriam. On our platform, we execute for them the 5 key following jobs. We take care of knowing your customer, customer onboarding, electronic policy documentation, premium collection, and claims management. We execute all those 5 key following jobs within a secure environment accessible from any of your spread out operations, so that as an insurance executive, you now have the peace of mind to focus on growing your business in the massive untapped market of mobile phone users. According to the German development agency, GIZ, it is actually 5 times cheaper to distribute a micro-insurance product through the phone compared to that of a normal micro-insurance offering. And this allows our insurance partners to offer a medical cover that would normally cost over $40 per month at less than $10 a month and still be profitable. Our business model is simple. We only charge a recurrent fee to insurance companies based on active customers. We even include the entire insurance value chain with reinsurance and brokers as well. In the next 5 years, the CIMA region you see will grow to over $1 billion in annual premium. You don't want to miss that. And today, we are very proud and excited to announce our long-term commercial agreement with the largest insurance company in West and Central Africa, Saham. Our platform is scalable by design. We advance talk with companies even in South Africa, such as Nedbank Insurance and Old Mutual as well. You would not believe if I told you that I was the only one behind this success. Not at all. Impossible. We have a strong team behind. And our roots stem back 20 years back when we were just at the university and I met Jules, my co-founder and COO. We were just dreaming at this time about billion-dollar startups. Could you imagine? Since then, Jules has been behind several key innovations in the insurance industry in Côte d'Ivoire. And myself, prior to Digitech, I was privileged to head the Millicom digital team in Tanzania. In just 18 months, we managed to drive a mobile microinsurance portfolio from 0 to more than 500,000 subscribers. Bringing a stability to two innovation junkies like myself and Jules is Hervé, our CFO and co-founder. This guy brings his own experience of building and sustaining his own consulting and finance business for the last 10 years, winning multiple awards on the international level. Together, this founding team brings to the table a combined 45 years of experience in reinsurance, in insurance, telecom strategy, and finance, with a solid academic background, MBAs, MSc in actuarial science and finance. In the region where I come from in Côte d'Ivoire, they say that an old man sitting on the ground can see farther away compared to a young man sitting on top of a tree. It means what? We even have a support advisory board. Dr. Ernest Asamoah, PhD actuarial science. Mr. Bradley Shaw, seasoned telecom executive. All those people contribute to the success that you see today. Look, if you just check some few numbers at the international level, in 2018, the insurtech industry has broken records in terms of investment with more than $1.5 billion investment. This industry is just poised for growth. If you are an insurance company targeting West Africa or beyond, or an investor willing to take part into this transformative journey of the face of insurance and changing the lives of those millions of Miriam, Digitech is now ready to meet you. Thank you.